Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 7-6, addition sentences. You've learned to use the plus sign and equal sign to show adding. Now you will learn about writing an addition sentence to show adding. So remember that an equal sign goes between numbers being added and the sum. A sentence that uses the plus sign and the equal sign to show joining is called an addition sentence. Let's look at our worksheet here. There are 3 rabbits resting under a bush, and there are 3 other rabbits eating grass. How many rabbits are there in all? What addition sentence can we write to solve the problem? We can use counters to show each group of rabbits. So let's put 2 groups of counters. Here's our first group of counters. We have the 3 rabbits here, and then we have another group of counters showing our other group of 3. So we need to join the counters to tell how many there are in all. Okay, so we need to join them so that we know how many there are in all. So what numbers should we write in this addition sentence? We want to write numbers to show the groups that we are joining. So we have 3 in one group. We have 3 in our second group, and we are going to join them. So we're going to add our plus sign. 3 plus 3 equals 6, the sum. So this is an addition sentence. All right. So the sum is the total, or it tells us how many in all. So that is 6. 3 and 3 are 2 parts of 6. All right, let's do another addition sentence right here. Let's say one bunny is hiding, and then there are 5 bunnies eating grass. So let's write counters showing 1 bunny and another group showing 5. We want to join our counters, and we want to write an addition sentence, right? So we have 2 groups of bunnies, and we want to show our groups that we're adding. So we have 1 rabbit in one group, and we have 5 in another group, and we want to join them, so we add our plus sign. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 is the sum. That shows how many in all. So our addition sentence is 1 plus 5 equals 6. Okay, let's continue and do another problem. I'm going to clear this so I can move the paper up. All right, let's look at our next problem. Let's say, oops, let me get my other pen here. Let's say we have 2 bunnies and they're just playing. And then there's 5 more bunnies that want to join. So we're going to write our counters. We have two groups. So we have 2 in this group, and we have 5 in this group. So we want to join our counters together so that we can find out the sum, or how many are in all. So let's write our addition sentence. What numbers are we going to write in this addition sentence? We're going to write 2 and 5. Those are the two groups we want to join. So we will add our plus sign because we're joining them. 2 plus 5 equals 7. That is our addition sentence. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Remember, 7 is the sum. It tells how many in all. All right, let's write another addition sentence. We are going to put 5 bunnies, so 5 counters showing 5 bunny rabbits playing, and then we have one more bunny that joins. Remember, we want to join our two groups. So let's write our addition sentence. What numbers are we going to write? 5 and 1. We are joining them. So we're going to add our plus sign. 5 plus 1 equals is 6. 6 is the sum of 5 plus 1. So our addition sentence is 5 plus 1 equals 6. Let's turn our paper over. All right, let's look at our first box over here. So what do you see? There are 2 groups of rabbits. What joining story can you make up about these rabbits? Well, we can say there are 3 rabbits right here, and 3 more rabbits hop over to them. How many rabbits are there in all? Let's look at our next box over here. How can you show your joining story with counters? We can make groups of 3 counters and then make another group of 3 counters. So what numbers would you write, excuse me, in a number sentence for these parts of the story? Here's our first group, and here's our second group. So there's 3 and 3, right? Okay, let's go to our next box here. How can you find out how many rabbits there are in all? We can join the 2 groups of counters, right? How many are there in all? There are 6 in all. Let's look at our last box over here. You can show the joining story by writing an addition sentence. So what does the addition sentence 3 plus 3 equals 6 tell? It tells us that 3 and 3 is 6. All right, let's go to our first problem. Go to number 1, right here. So it says trace or write the numbers to tell how many there are in each group. You're going to trace or draw a circle around the groups to join them. And then you're going to trace or write the plus sign, the equal sign, and the sum. So it looks like we have some foxes. We have one group of 2 and one group of 3. So remember, we want to join the 2 groups to see how many in all. So let's write an addition sentence. 2 plus 3 equals 5 foxes, right? All right, let's look at number 2. We have raccoons now. So we have one group of raccoons here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 raccoons here, and there's 1 raccoon here. We want to join them together. So we are going to write 6 plus 1 equals how many? 7 raccoons. Let's go to number 3. Count our groups that we have. We have some squirrels here. We have 6 squirrels, and we have another group with 2 squirrels. So we're going to write our addition sentence. 6 plus, because we're joining them, 6 plus 2 equals how many? 8. So we have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're adding 2 more. So 6, 7, 8. Last one. It looks like we have some porcupines here. In our first group, we have 4. And then in our second group, we have 3. We're going to join them together. So we have 4 plus 3 equals how many? 7. 7 porcupines. That is our addition sentence. All right, superstars, you're doing good. Keep up the good work. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.